How to reset Binance password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Binance account's password. If you have forgotten your password of your Binance account, here's how you can reset it. For that, first of all, you'll need to open your Binance application on your mobile device. And here, tap on the sign up or login button at the very top. Once you tap on it, now you will be presented with a login interface. Here you will need to enter the email address or phone number associated to your account. After that, tap on this next button right here. By doing so, now you will be prompted to enter your password. Since we have forgotten your password, so you will need to tap on this forgot password link just below the next button. Now after doing that, in this page, here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate continue option. Tap on this continue button below and then wait for a moment. Here, if you have added two-factor authentication, then you will need to enter the code generated by the authenticator app. In this page, here you'll also be able to switch to another verification method. For that, you will need to tap on this switch to another verification method link just below the submit button. You will need to enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, it will start verifying it, and after that, now you will be able to enter or create new password for your Binance account. In this text box here, you will need to set up a new password. Make sure your password meets all the criteria presented below in order to create a strong password. Once after creating the password, now you will need to enter the same password in the second field. After entering the password, now tap on this confirm button right here. And then you will see you have successfully reset or changed your Binance password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.